Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a new form on your monday.com website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the plus icon here. So we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see the form option here. So we have to click on the form option, and after clicking on the form, it will take few seconds in creating your form. Now you can control your form, you can customize your form. As you can see, here is an option for the create your first form. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to choose some options. As you can see, now we need to provide upload logo. We have to upload logo here, and now we have to write the question here. For example, what's your question? For example, I'm going to write the question for the name here, so they will write the name here, and the option is also provided here. Now you have to choose that which type of option here should be, and you can also hide this option as well. If you want to add another option, you can also add that. As you can see, if you want to add a question setting, these all settings are provided here. You can control, you can add the picture, you can add the color, you can add the text, you can change the layout. These all options are provided here. After doing these all things, you just need to hit the publish, and after clicking on the publish, the form will be published. So in this way, you can create a form on your monday.com website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.